from 1980s line. Powerful and rugged, built for any climb. Engine roaring, gears in sync, ready to explore. Off-road champion, let's conquer more. Mucker, with power to spare, through mud, rocks and trails, takes us anywhere. Mucker, off-road mighty king, in a 1980 Jeep, adventure's everything. Four-wheel drive, unstoppable might, suspension strong.